Hey, I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at StockMarketMentor.com, and I want to look at Hess today. I'm not a big oil and gas guy, not these days. So much of them, they're just really just absolutely down in the dirt. But one stock that I saw, which is actually something that I picked up from our trading forum, where we have a lot of active traders in there, is Hess. One of our more prominent members, Robert, has been talking about this stock and likes it. It's been trading in a base for a while, a little bit zigzaggy, but the stock looks like it's going to go higher. And so this is all well and good. I think it's a buy. You can probably, it's a little extended, so I wouldn't really be buying it right here. Though, frankly, if you do, I think you're going to make money. But this is why I'm looking at this stock. I want to look at it in a multi-time frame way. So the daily stock, the daily chart here shows the stock effectively trading sideways for the last several months, right? Like since April, okay? Trading sideways. I could say, I could make a case for kind of a cup pattern. Wouldn't really, if it's a cup and handle, it's probably something that some kid made in his arts and crafts and flunked, because this doesn't look like a cup and handle, but it is zigzaggy and there is some consolidation here. So, you're buying right here and maybe just keep a stop, give it about 5 or 6%, and give it a little room, right? Well, this is why I'm really interested in this chart. You switch to the weekly, and you can really get a better sense of what's going on here, because the stock's been trading in this kind of almost a volatility squeeze, I guess. Not quite. The bands are still a little bit wide, but very narrow relative to the way they have been. And so if you're looking at the Bollinger Bands in the aggregate over this past year, these are actually, or over this chart here over the last several years, these bands are actually fairly tight, and this is just starting to squirt out to the upside. And so, I kind of like the way this stock is trading, and if oil and gas start getting any kind of a bid at all, and they, typically tend to do that, near the end of the year. If they start to get a bid, we could see Hess move much higher. So this is definitely one you want to keep an eye on. Now, okay, members, I'm covering 6 new stocks today. Actually, I take that back, 7 stocks this weekend, many of whom we're going to put on our growth stock list on Monday. So definitely be ready to take notes. We're going to make some money next week, okay? All right, see you guys then.